What's up, guys? So we're here. We're gonna took a week off from work, so we're gonna try and get as much done with the dually as we can. I'm labeling the videos makeover, but it's gonna be primer, so I don't know about a makeover, but yes. So that's what the plan is for this week. So I'll do one video per day, something like that. So we'll start off with removing the bed and whatnot. So stick around. We're gonna have a nice little series here for this week, and minor stuff happening, but it's gonna take me a week, so maybe it's not so minor. But we'll make it happen. Stay tuned. We got the bed off this deal. Cleaned up the frame. What is this deal? So we're gonna clean that up and take the stops off. Take the stops off both sides. And then we'll work on this deal. Clean it up. Get some primer on it. We gotta get the fenders off or whatnot, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Just looks weird without the bed. Whatever. Temporary. Alright, so we got the bed off this deal. We've been cleaning it up. I got the frame all cleaned up and whatnot. So I'm gonna take off the harness out of the bed, take the tag off, try and pop the fenders off tonight, so we can do all this other good stuff in the morning. So let's make it happen. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like, what you want to see more, or what you don't want to see. Appreciate it.